And a great night for Friday night football anywhere in South Texas. It's 72 perfect degrees right now with clear skies and no problems with no weather systems in the region. As we take a look at the forecast, we will drop down to about 64 at midnight with very light winds and then on down into the low 60s prior to daybreak and eventually into the upper 50s with some light fog as these winds settle down at around 5 miles an hour or less. So the visibility forecast does briefly go down to about 0 to 2 miles in the morning. So watch out for that if you're traveling late tonight or early tomorrow morning with the light winds that you can see now around 5 to 10, slowing down to around 5 miles an hour at daybreak and only around 6 to 12 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon. Very, very nice. Light winds again will lead to more light fog on Sunday morning and then just a light east-southeasterly breeze on Sunday afternoon. The difference, the wind about the same both days, but the temperatures will be warmer on Sunday than they will be tomorrow. But tomorrow looks terrific. We'll start with the lows at 58, 56 in Alice, 54 in George West, about 66 over in Port Aransas. But take a look at the highs tomorrow. Just a little bit warmer than today at 83 here, 85 for Sinton, and also Alice and Freer. About 78 in Flower Bluff and at the Naval Air Station, 79 over in beautiful Rockport. So here's a look at what's happening. We've got this front up here in the Pacific Northwest. That's not going to be a factor in our forecast until the end of next week. It's going to ease into the area. It's not a big front. This is Ada, the tropical depression, which is now back out over the Caribbean Sea, and it is going to develop over the weekend into a tropical storm again near the Cayman Islands, go over central Cuba, back out over the Florida Straits, and believe it or not, into the eastern Gulf of Mexico next week with about 60-mile-an-hour winds or so. It may even briefly turn into a hurricane before turning back to the northeast into the Florida Panhandle. It is not a factor in our forecast with cool water and high pressure dominating our region. Here comes this low, and again, this upper level low is going to sweep everything to the north and east. Around this high, that storm will take off along the east coast, be a big rainmaker for that area. But for us, we're seeing this dry northwesterly flow aloft, and it's hard to get rain in here. You don't engage Pacific moisture or Gulf moisture when this goes on, and that's through next Saturday. There is a little bit of shower activity expected here with a weak front next Friday morning, but that's it. Below normal rainfall expected the 13th through the 19th of November, above normal on the west coast and also through the Great Lakes, and this is where Ada is going to end up producing above normal rain as well. Here is a look at the 7-day forecast. Again, 58 and 83. Absolutely gorgeous tomorrow after the fog burns off. 62 and 86 on Sunday. A little bit warm there. And the normal high is 79 degrees. So we're going to be at 86 Sunday, 87 Monday, 86 for Tuesday, and on Veterans Day, 86. Very, very nice, but a little warmer than normal. Before Thursday, we pick up more clouds and the temperature starts to back off. And yes, a few raindrops, not talking about widespread or likely rain, but a little bit of rain here Thursday night and early next Friday morning. All right, have a great weekend. Let's